Well, we're very excited about the Close-Up program. This is the 31st year that we've done Close-Up. But we've got an exciting day planned for the participants that will be here at Close-Up today. The morning will be spent learning about how local government works from our county commissioners. They'll be talking to representatives from our local school system and Camp Lejeune schools. We'll also be hearing from our district attorney, Ernie Lee, about what they do. During the luncheon, the kids will have an opportunity to interact with our state elected delegates. We have representatives and our senator have committed to being here today, so we're excited about that. And the students will be out at the airport this afternoon with the opportunity to find out about what goes on with airport fire and rescue and seeing presentations from the Onslow County Sheriff's Department. And then finally they'll get a behind the scenes tour at the terminal to see kind of what goes on behind the scenes out at the airport. Selection of our students is done by our school-based close-up coordinators. We work with them to select students who have an interest in government or that are in a civics class currently during the semester, and just an opportunity for them to get some students who have an interest in what's going on with local government to come and spend the day learning more about it with some hands-on work and understanding about what we do with local government here. By the end of the day today, our students will have a better understanding of what goes on with local government and also a little bit of a taste of what happens at the state level through our questions at the luncheon, and spark an interest in these young people to be interested in becoming leaders and maybe even pursuing elected positions as they get older and giving back to their community.